Very simple outline for an easy scenery. You can see the pitched roof house here, drawing the vertical lines and straight lines. You can see the doors and the windows. Few graphics for the pitched roof. Awesome. And this is the land area. Okay. So you can see the river banks, the upward slopes, and a haystacks here coming up from the top. This is the fence. Awesome. The water body, a boat parked on the banks with the sticks of parking. Awesome. And the greeneries behind the house. Okay, so very simple formation. For the haystacks here, we're going to put the brown color. For the greeneries, we're going to put the green color here. Awesome. For the river banks, we're going to put the dark red. Let's put a soft green for the fields. Blue for the water. And yellow for the boat portion, the house portion, so that it does looks bright. The dark blue color on the top portion of the canvas. Mix it up with the fingertips. If you like to put some birds, use the marker. Do something like the letter V of the English alphabet, that means the birds flying in the sky. Simple scenery. You can do practice at home, take few moments, and doesn't took much time. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.